Have you ever wondered what Frankfurt, Germany has to offer? Well, fasten your seatbelts as we take a virtual tour of this vibrant city brimming with culture, history, and modernity. One of the first things you'll notice about Frankfurt is its efficient public transportation system. The city boasts an extensive network of trams, buses, and the U-Bahn and S-Bahn metro systems. These make every corner of the city easily accessible, from the bustling business district to the serene outskirts. Frankfurt is a shopper's paradise. The Zeil, one of Germany's most famous shopping streets, is a bustling boulevard lined with everything from high-end boutiques to budget-friendly stores. For those who prefer a more eclectic shopping experience, the Bornheim district offers quirky boutiques and antique shops. So Frankfurt is a city of contrasts, where modern skyscrapers stand proudly alongside historic buildings. The Römer, the city's town hall, and the Frankfurt Cathedral are must-visit landmarks, offering a glimpse into the city's rich past. The Palmengarten, a large botanical garden, is a peaceful retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. For sports lovers, Frankfurt has a lot to offer. From the Commerzbank Arena, home to the Eintracht Frankfurt football team, to the numerous cycling and running paths along the River Main, there's no shortage of sporting activities to keep the adrenaline pumping. Now let's talk about the heart of Frankfurt, the financial district. Often referred to as Manhattan, a playful blend of the River Main and Manhattan, this area is a hub of global finance. The district's skyline, dominated by the twin towers of Deutsche Bank, fondly known as debit and credit, is a sight to behold. If you find yourself on a layover at Frankfurt Airport, worry not. The airport is a destination in itself. With a plethora of dining options, duty-free shops, and even a transit hotel, your time at the airport will fly by. Plus, there's the dual-branded Sheraton and Marriott Hotel right at the airport for those looking for a luxurious layover. To sum it up, Frankfurt is a city that seamlessly blends tradition and modernity. It offers efficient public transportation, diverse shopping experiences, rich historical landmarks, thrilling sports activities, and a bustling financial district. And even if you're just passing through, Frankfurt Airport ensures your journey is anything but boring. So whether you're a tourist or considering making Frankfurt your home, this German gem has something for everyone.